First look at Elon Musk's personal Tesla Model S with prototype color. I don't know if you have ever realized this, Will, but you cannot get a Tesla in that many colors.
Yeah, it's a very small selection.
It's a small selection, and it actually has been shrinking. Tesla's been getting rid of colors, not adding them, because they were having all kinds of problems in the paint shop. And painting cars is hard. Imagine that.
I can imagine.
But you would think, Will, that like you got this company doing self-driving, engineers, all these hard things. You think paint, that's an easy one. No. Painting cars and the perfection that's necessary and the number of layers and sophisticated processes, it's incredible. So Tesla's taken heat over the years for subpar paint. Even right now, even on the Model Y, they're still getting it. And of course, Elon can't be happy with that. What do they have right now? White, black, gray, blue, and red. It's not you compare that to BMW, or it's not even close. Mm-hmm. They don't even have a silver. They used to have a silver, and they got rid of that because it was too difficult to execute. Anyway, so Elon obviously hears about it and has to do something about it eventually. Maybe it's not a priority right now, but has to do something about it and starts experimenting with the idea of other colors. And then this pops up, this image of what's said to be his personal unit. And he's got the coolest color so far.
What is that? Like a maroon?
It's like he calls it a crimson red. I think it looks darker in this image because it's in shadow.
Right.
Than it might look like in sunlight or in a different photo. But it's like a maroon, mahogany, crimson kind of a thing. A very deep, like a wine, deeper than wine, a dark wine type of red. And of course, it's a sick color. It's a cool color. Mm-hmm. But only Elon has it right now. And apparently he's experimenting with it. And as is usual, Elon's always making news on his Twitter. That's where it seems to be all the new information about Tesla seems to come out. And he says multi-layered paints, they're coming. And one of the reasons is Giga Berlin. Giga Berlin will have the world's most advanced paint shop. These are Elon Musk's words, with more layers of stunning colors that subtly change with curvature. This is what people want. This is a premium automobile. I mean, Model S, you spend a lot of money on this thing. You want to have a paint color that really represents or accentuates a luxury vehicle. That's a luxury looking color right there. Mm-hmm. And I think it's not surprising to me that this state-of-the-art paint shop is going to be in Germany, because I'll tell you something, Will, you can get some pretty crazy colors on some German cars. You go hire a few experts in this area. I'm just saying. There's a color, a BMW color, a silver, which is an unbelievable process. I will send you down a rabbit hole. You can watch an entire video about the application and the development of this one type of silver and the work that goes into it. Mind-blowing. It's called like liquid metal silver.
Okay.
I almost wanted to buy a BMW just so I could have the liquid metal color, not for any other reason. Because I saw the interviews with the engineers. They're like, well, what we had to do and the number of layers, and now you're looking it up because I got you going. Liquid metal BMW. It's incredible. Look at that picture. Go to there. No, top left. Yeah, look at this. It almost looks like buffed out sheet metal.
Yeah.
But it's paint. And it's so hyper reflective. It's almost like a mirror. Okay, fine. I'll get one of these just so we can examine it.
Yeah, might as well,
Go to that one. Go to that one in the bottom left. You see? It almost looks white. It's so reflective. Mm-hmm. And silver is a tough thing to nail because the imperfections all show up and everything because of the level of reflection. Mm-hmm. So anyways, I don't think it's a coincidence that his Berlin plant is going to be, look at that. Oh, pure metal silver. Okay, fine. Let's get one of these.
That's luxury right there.
Yeah. So anyways, I don't think it's a coincidence, but he does state, for people who are curious, that eventually they could bring these technologies and developments to the other factories, to Fremont and Shanghai. But it's going to take some time. Probably initially, if you order, like whenever they launch it, it's going to take a while, but presumably that unit will have to ship from Germany if you pick one of whatever the new colors will be. But let me know in the comments, what is the optimal luxury car color? What are you looking for that Tesla doesn't currently have? What would you go for, Will, by the way? Any car color, not just selecting from what's available.
You know, I really like that chalk gray.
Oh, chalk colors, flat colors.
The pastel-y kind of. Those look really nice.
Yeah.
Maybe like a light gray.
Yeah, they should have something like that too. You're right about that.